So math day 1, math. I like to start with minute math. Basically, you can just put on your phone or a watch a minute and just let the kids know when to start, and they already know that they have a whole minute to finish as much as you can. After the minute goes off, you go with them through each question to make sure that they understood and they got it correctly. And if they didn't, so they can get a chance to go fix it and see what they did wrong. So I let them, and then after I just go, okay, what is 5 take away 4? And then we all say the answer together. And then 5 take away 3, we all say the answer together. And so on, like that. So after they finish with the minute math, for today, we are learning on tape diagram. Tape diagram. So tape diagram, basically what it is, it's a long rectangle. And we're gonna depending on what the question is, the work problem, and we just divide in depending on how many groups we need the tape diagram to be. Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys I'm gonna go through number 1. I'm gonna do number 1A with you guys. It says, write a repetitive addition equation to find the total of each tape diagram. So on number 1A, it has the rectangle, and inside it has the cups. And if you can see, it's divided into 4 groups. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And each group has 2 cups in there. So we have 4 groups of 2s. So on the bottom, it had 4 blank spaces. Well, 5 having the total. So how many cups do we have in each group? How many cups do we have in each group? So in each group, we have 2 cups, right? So the first group, it's equal to 2 cups. Second group, let me have the number with me. So group 1, 2, 3, and 4. So on the first group, you have how many cups? 2. The second group, 2. The third group, 2. And the fourth group, 2. So when we add all those cups together, it's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8, correct? So on the bottom it says 4 groups of 2 equals 8. And here is because we have 4 groups, and each group, it has 2 inside each group. So 4 groups of 2 equals 8. I'm going to give you guys another example here. So this is our blank tape diagram. So let's say if I'm going to have 3 groups of trees, my beautiful trees, or popsicles, or balloons, or whatever. So here I have 3 groups of 3s. So the way we're gonna write it down is 1, 2, 3. So in my group 1 I have 3. My group 2 I have 3. And my group 3 I have 3. And because this is addition, we're gonna add them together. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. And we write down, we have 3 groups of 3 equals 9. Okay? So that's basically how we're going to be doing B, C, and D. So I can try to do, I will try to do B, and then the students can do C and D. So on number B, on letter B, inside each group we have how many spoons? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on group 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So total of 5 groups, right? We have 5 groups. So in each group, how many spoons do we have? 4. So group 1 has 4. Group 2 has 4. Group 3 has 4. Group 4 and group 5 has 4. So now what we need to do is we need to add them all together. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So let me put the total here. So underneath here it says 5 groups of how many spoons inside? 4. 5 groups of 4 equals, what's the total? 20. And that's the same way you do C and D. Remember, these are the groups, and we have how many inside a group? 4. We do the addition. In group 1, we have 4, group 2, 4, 3, 4, group 5, and group 5 and 4. Okay, so on the next page, we have to draw the tape diagram. So on this page, we actually have to draw it. So for number 2, draw a tape diagram to find the total. Here you can draw anything. You can draw trees, flowers, bears, whatever you want to draw, okay? So we're going to make the diagram. I should have made it bigger. And let's see how many groups do we have to find out how many I'm going to put inside the diagram. So how many groups do we have here? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that says that inside the diagram, I'm going to have 4 groups. So I'm going to divide this into 4. 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know that because I have 4 different groups, correct? In each group, I have how many items inside each group? 3. So I'm going to be drawing on group number 1, how many items I'm going to be drawing? 3. 3 of anything. It can be anything. I'm just going to draw little circles. 3 circles, 3 circles, 3 circles, and 3 circles. So now we're going to be adding. What's 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3? You guys know the answer? 12. So underneath, don't forget to put down how many groups do we have? We have 4. Groups of How many circles inside? 3 equal 12. So we're gonna draw the diagram, the tape diagram. We're gonna divide it into how many groups we have on top, which here we had 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna draw how many items are inside each group. So in this instance, it's 3 items in each group. And we're gonna write down, we have how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of how many items inside? 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 3 equals 12. And that is the same thing we do for the rest, B, C, and D. E already, on D, it already has the drawings. So for E, because we already have the drawings, we need to do the adding and the word. So on this diagram, we have how many groups? 1, 2, and 3. 3, correct? So on our first group, how many pairs are in here? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on my first group, I have 5. My second group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My third group, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are adding. What's 5 plus 5 plus 5? 15. And remember, don't forget to write down, we have 3 groups of 5 equals 15. And this is the math for day 1. If you have any questions, please message me, okay? You have a good day. Thank you.